So I've got the Galaxy Tab A11, and let me show you how to make this tablet run faster. So one of the things you need to do is to make sure you're running the latest update of this tablet, the latest available update. So you want to go into settings and then go to software update, tap on download and install, and check if you have the latest update. So you can see for me, my software is up to date. If you're not up to date, then you want to install the latest update. Now, with the tablet updated, it should run more efficiently and probably even faster. Now, the other thing you need to do is to learn how to close apps. Okay, so every time you have apps in your background, make it a habit of from time to time going to the background. Just go to the multitasking option. If you're using gestures, you can just swipe, hold, and release, and that's going to open the multitasking and then close apps. Now, you can also do that automatically with the press of a button by using the device, basically a device care widget. So if you long press an empty space on the home screen and then go to widgets, you can scroll through the widgets option and find device care, and then you can add this widget. So I'm going to tap on it and add it. Okay, then I'm going to move it to the main home screen. I place it there. If I want to, you can. If you want to, you can also expand it, make it bigger. Okay. So with that there, anytime or from time to time, just come here and tap on optimize, and that's going to close all the background running apps and optimize your RAM, which will make your tablet operate faster. Now, the other thing you can do is to increase the RAM of your tablet. So if you go into settings and then under settings, go to device care, and then under device care, go to memory, tap on that. Of course, you can clean up the RAM from here for starters and recover some used RAM. And then also you have this option called RAM Plus. Now RAM Plus, basically you need to turn it on, and then you can allocate some of your internal storage for your tablet to use as extra RAM. For instance, this tablet only comes with 4 gigs of RAM. So you can add 4 gigs of RAM on it so that you have a total of 8 gigs of RAM, and that should help your tablet run a bit faster. Of course, that's going to compromise your internal storage. So you're going to have 4 gigs less internal storage, but you can compensate for that with a micro SD card because this tablet allows you to have a micro SD card. Now, the other thing you can do is to save all the stuff you don't need in internal storage to the SD card. So for instance, if you go into the camera app, and in the camera app, you tap on this 4-dot button and then tap on this settings wheel icon, you can actually scroll here and find this option called storage location. So basically you can tap on that and then change from internal storage to SD card like I've done here. So that means your photos and videos that you take on this tablet will be saved to your SD card. And that's gonna keep the internal storage of the phone free, and that helps your phone, your tablet to run faster. Now you can also transfer some of the apps that you've installed to the SD card. Now, some of the apps will not allow you to do this, but some will. So for instance, I can try with this YouTube Kids app. So if I long press on that app icon and then tap on the eye to open the app info page, you can scroll down and find the location or the storage of this app. So currently you can see the storage is here. And depending on which app you have, it may or may not allow you to move it to the SD card. Now this one won't allow us. We can try with another app like Candy Crush. So let's long press and then tap on that eye icon, and that opens the Candy Crush app info page. Let's go to storage, and this one, as you can see, the storage used is internal shared storage. So you can actually tap on change and then choose the SD card, and that's going to move that app to the SD card, and you can operate that app directly from the SD card, and that helps you to free up your internal storage, which also helps keep your phone or your tablet running faster. So you can do this for all the apps you'll be able to, and that should help your tablet run faster. Now also, you can go ahead and uninstall any app you don't use. So if you have any bloatware or those apps that get installed as you're setting up your tablet, you can go ahead and uninstall all or most of them. Any app you don't use, there's no need of having it on the tablet. So just get rid of it and then that should help your tablet run faster. So those are some of the things you can do to just help your tablet run faster. It's a slow tablet generally, but if you do that, you might have it run a bit faster. Thanks for watching and good luck.